Hello, MWG families. I am just popping onto this screen to share what we're doing. I went into our tester, Henry Ford's parent portal, and of course, if we have something going on like Easter closure that is coming up this weekend, that will pop up as a pop-up screen in your parent portal. Close that out. And you will see that Henry Ford obviously is coming to summer camp and will need to pay that bill. If you haven't been in the parent portal before, you will see here you can make an online payment. Of course, you can always pay through the front desk or by sending an e-transfer. There might be some shared files. This is where we will put up music. You can buy your tickets for Recital, register for next September's classes, and reminder that our registration bonuses will be ending on May 18th. So we'd love to see you do that. So come on up here to where it says more, and we're going to go into documents and files. And you will see a little video that I put up about pre-registration 2022. If you haven't checked that out, please watch that 1-minute video. And your Recital Handbook 2022 is right here. Click on that, and the Recital Handbook pops up with general recital information, presentation, concert times and locations, what we do about rehearsals, photo days, tickets, costumes, shoes and accessories, the finale, how we need you to be groomed and makeup, concert procedures, and what to bring. It is all in here. So please read through that. Of course, my mobile number is 519, not 619. I'll change that in the document. Please take a read through all of that, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by text or email anytime.